The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fairbanks Weather Service, in effect for the town of Fairbanks and surrounding municipalities. FWS is currently tracking a possible tropical storm over the Bruno Sea. All residents in the town of Fairbanks are advised to be on alert for a tropical storm development. Tropical storms can cause heavy rainfall, resulting in flooding in residential areas. Please have an emergency kit in place with up to 14 days of food, as you may be displaced or unable to gather supplies for up to 2 weeks. Should a tropical storm start, an alert will be broadcast with information and instructions.